In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. To do that, first head over here into your Marketing tab, and from in there, locate the Lead option right here. Alternatively, you can also head over to your search bar and search for Form, and click on Forms right here. So this will serve as our lead capture for our marketing type. Under this case, head over and create a form first. You can choose from various templates. So in this case, let me use this Contact Us template. Click on this Use Template option right here into this case in order to open it. Now into this case, just head over to the Form options. You also find it right here onto the Settings. And in here, you can see your General tabs. And in here, you can see your Submission settings. So you can see right here the domain's inbox connection, and you can see right here send email notifications. Let's head over and send this to the contact owner, or you can also send it to user, and then just type right here the email. With this, whenever someone answers this form, this person will be notified. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.